Hi everyone! Today I'm going to show you how to use Creately to design a simple flowchart for your instructional design project. So first, you'll go to creately.com and create an account, either paid or free, which should get you by with small projects. After logging on the website, open up a new workspace. Personally, I prefer to start from scratch by selecting Create a Workspace up top and then continue without a template. But there are plenty of templates available to get you started should you need inspiration or guidance. So after creating a workspace, you can dive right into designing your flowchart by adding shapes from the left sidebar over here under the flowchart group of shapes. If you hover over the shapes, you can see their symbolic meaning. I'll start with this red oval, that's the start end. You just drag it over to your workspace here and it'll place it wherever you release. So the next step in my flowchart is to add an input-output parallelogram here. To connect the two, you'll see that Creately has a control bar above each shape where you can edit the text, even edit the shape if you find that you've selected the wrong one, and then draw a connector between your shapes. So here I'm going to draw an arrow from start to my first input-output. I'm going to edit my input-output to reflect the first topic of my instructional design project. In my micro-level flowchart, I'm going to continue with a couple of rectangles here to indicate the processes that happen within my topic. So my first process may be my presentation. I'll draw my connector, and then perhaps my next process is an assessment. Edit my text to reflect the assessment, and then draw my connector. The assessment is likely the last step in this process. I'll need a diamond to reflect the fact that a decision is coming. The decision point here is whether the learner passed or failed the assessment. For passed, we'll draw a connector from the decision point to topic 2 that indicates yes, the learner passed the assessment and can proceed to topic 2. Perhaps the learner didn't pass, and we want to make sure they understand the material. We are going to move them back to the presentation to repeat. We can change the flow to indicate no, the learner didn't pass and is moving backwards. And there we have the flow from the start to topic 1, the presentation of topic 1, the assessment for topic 1, and the decision point on whether the learner passed the assessment and can proceed to topic 2 or did not pass the assessment and has to return to the presentation and repeat these steps. Then we can continue through by adding our processes that are associated with topic 2. Suppose that topic 2 is my last topic in my instructional design project. I'll also add my end point here. Draw my connectors, assuming that the learner passes the assessment. The learner can proceed. If the learner does not pass the assessment, again we'll draw a connector to indicate that he should. Obviously, you can continue to build this out with additional topics should you need. And once you've completed the flowchart, you can use other features of Creately to refine the visual field through color. And when you've finished with your design, you can come up top and export your flowchart into your desired format, all kinds of graphic files, as well as PDF. It's really as simple as that with Creately, and there's also many more features for you to explore as you become more adventurous. I hope this was helpful to you in designing your flowcharts, so please explore and enjoy.